Hello guys, welcome to How to Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to unrestrict an account on Instagram. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is go ahead to your profile, then click on the three dashes top right corner of your screen, then click on settings, then you want to click on privacy, then you want to scroll all the way down to restricted accounts. So you have restricted accounts here, and this is where your restricted accounts will appear. At the moment I do not have any accounts restricted, but if I do, they will come here, and all you have to do is click on unrestrict. The option will be available, and that is how you do it, guys. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.